And about the studio, I had never thought, मतलब मेरा कोई ऐसा ambition नहीं था कि अपना studio होना चाहिए. So I decided to quit Famous because I wanted to work on a children's film which was slightly longer in duration. So once I started working on the children's film, some of the clients started calling me कि यार ये तूने छोड़ दिया अभी ये कौन करेगा, सिंपू कौन करेगा या Amaron बैटरी कौन करेगा. Then it struck me that अरे अच्छा मतलब they're expecting me to do the
Studio, how do you want to drive Indian animation? How do you, what is one visionary that you have for Indian animation now as a big name and a big studio and so much work that has been done over the period of time?
as soon as you say Indian animation, people don't want to take you seriously. अरे animation अच्छा बच्चों की फिल्म है, कार्टून फिल्म है, लोग नहीं आएंगे.
That's what I was going to say. Kids.
Yeah.
Kids. Will.
So our film Return of the Jungle is also about kids. It's also about children, but it's not something to be looked down on.
Yeah.
Outsourcing sustains our industry, and it gives employment to such a huge audience.
Okay.
But yes, like you mentioned, at the core of it, you are not self-dependent. You are depending on foreign.
Yeah.
You have to keep nurturing yourself as a storyteller or as a creator. And each one has different ways of doing it. Like I enjoy observing people because people form a very integral part of my films or my stories.
Yeah.
So different types of people, maybe that's our default setting, that we are built in a way that we enjoy observing traits of people.
True.
When I go to teach, I am exposing myself to that change. I'm interacting with a bunch of a generation of students who are very, very different. And I'm excited to share my views and to learn from them also, to observe कि उनके views क्या हैं. And we did not create the Vodafone Zuzus.
Okay.
The Vodafone Zuzus are not even animated.
Okay.
So the Zuzus were created by O&M Mumbai and Nirvana Films in Bangalore.
Okay.
They are real people wearing costumes.
Hi, Vaibhav sir. I welcome you on my show, and I really cannot begin to express how happy I am because when I chose communication design as my forte or my degree in my college, I have been following your work since then, and literally everyone in my college has been a fan of you. Of course, you must have got this a lot, but I mean, you have been on my bucket list or on my speaker bucket list for like a very long time, and now talking to you really feels like a dream come true. And today's conversation, so in my show, I really don't do talking about artificial intelligence. It's purely going to be about the emotions that have made you and Web of Studios and your work. And are you also excited to begin with the conversation?
Yeah, of course. Thank you, first of all, Meena. So I'm happy to chat, and all the issues that you mentioned that you'd be discussing, they're close to my heart also. So bring it on.
Yes, let's go. So, the very first question before I deep down into all the questions that I had, I want to ask as to how did you think of starting your own studio? Was it always your dream as a student? And I am very curious to know the story behind the logo,
Right.
behind your studio's logo.
Okay.
So let's begin with that.
Okay. So the studio logo, there's nothing major to it. We love creating characters. So in fact, we had many characters as our logo. We had what you see now is a red guy, right? The red one. There was a blue, I think a box-shaped character, a triangular green character. Then there was another yellow character. So there were many colored characters. In our very first version of our website, we had them all. Then when we printed cards and stationery with the yellow as well as red. And eventually it was a red guy who stayed. The others somewhere, we didn't use them much. So each of those, icons was different. It's just that the red guy stayed. There's no other logic to it. आप जो देख रहे हो अभी वो लाल वाला
What
options
does
are.
the expression resonate is the
It,
question.
that red guy was one angry, kind of a face. It had devil-like horns and one little tooth jutting out. So it was one serious guy. The other
Yeah,
three had different expressions. So it's just like I said, we love creating. Our work is very character heavy, and we
correct.
enjoy bringing characters to life.
Hmm.
So when I was trying to build some uh, identity for the studio, I didn't have any one image in my mind. I had many. All these characters represent us,
Yeah,
and then one of them just went ahead and became the final character. और
it's
कोई
cute.
कहानी नहीं है उसके पीछे. And about the studio, I had never thought, मतलब मेरा कोई ऐसा ambition नहीं था कि अपना studio होना चाहिए. After I graduated from NID, my graduation was in fine arts,
Hmm.
and then I did my post graduation at NID where I learned animation. So
Okay.
as soon as I finished, Suresh was 1 year senior, Studio Ixorus, E Suresh. He was 1 year senior, and he told me कि यार तेरा जैसे ही खत्म होगा, you
Hmm.
join me. I'm setting up an animation department for Famous Studios in Mumbai.
Okay.
So I joined Famous, and 5 years I worked with Famous. It was an amazing experience, because what we used to do as students was create our own concepts, pitch it to our teachers, our batchmates, and then we would make films out of them. We were doing the same at Famous also. It's just that now we were pitching it to clients, and
Hmm.
we would get paid for that. So स्कूल में हम भर रहे थे, और अभी प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड में हमें क्लाइंट्स पे कर रहे हैं अब काम फिल्म बनाने के लिए. सो it was a very happy period at Famous Studios. So I think over the time, the main reason for branching off on our own was I was very keen to work on longer format stories, longer
Hmm.
stories. Like I was working on a lot of TV commercials at Famous, which
Hmm.
were like short format, 30 second, 8 minute. We'd
Hmm.
done one short film called The Freedom Song, and that was very addictive for me because my graduation project at NID was also a 7-8 minute long film. और उसमें
Hmm.
क्या है, ज्यादा वक्त मिलता है आपको कहानी बोलने के लिए, टू बिल्ड योर कैरेक्टर. सो somehow I was missing that experience,
Hmm.
and being at Famous, I probably could not have got that experience. So I decided to quit Famous because I wanted to work on a children's film which was slightly longer in duration. So once I started working on the children's film, some of the clients started calling me कि यार हे तूने छोड़ दिया, अभी ये कौन करेगा, सिंपू कौन करेगा, या Amaron बैटरी कौन करेगा. Then it struck me that अरे अच्छा, मतलब they're expecting me to do the works. I said of course I'll do it. मुझे थोड़ा टाइम दो, ये children's film मैं खत्म करके, then I'll take up I'll do it for you. So
Yeah.
that was the seed. That's how the studio started. कि अगर हम meaning at one point I got that clarity कि यार अभी वापस ज्वाइन नहीं करना है फेमस या किसी को भी. काम आ रहा है, लोग हमसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, हम करके देंगे काम. सो दैट clarity was there, and slowly we learned how to produce films for clients. We learned to we made the team slightly, slowly, step by step, the team grew. We learned different tools. We started working with different artists, different music composers, voice actors. So that's how the studio came into existence.
Correct. So, as you said, you started the studio for because you wanted to pursue your own goal or your own forte. But now that Webhoof Studios and has grown at such a bigger level, I want to ask you a much deeper question as to how is now your vision and mission from your studio? How do you want to drive Indian animation? Um, how do you? What is one visionary that you have for Indian animation now as a big name and a big studio and so much work that has been done over the
Right.
period of time?
So, see, one thing is we've always produced work that has excited us.
Hmm.
And uh, in the context of Indian animation, when
Hmm.
we see other work, my opinion is that the majority of work that Indian animation studios are producing is outsourced work. It's not
Hmm.
Indian animation, or it's not part of the Indian animation ecosystem. Majority of the studios are part of the American or the European ecosystem. They are just based in India. So basically, we are not telling our own story. We are telling somebody else. हमारी client की कहानी, कोई director, कोई और है script writer, कोई और है producer. We are
Hmm.
investing our, you know, sweat equity, and we are delivering services. But somewhere down the line, that is a we are not somewhere down the line. We are not telling our own stories.
Yeah.
So, and for our own audiences. So
Hmm.
that thought has been with me for many, many, many years. As I'm seeing work around me, I'm glad I'm not part of that ecosystem. There are two worlds. एक
Hmm.
जो 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 फिरंग कंपनीज के ब्रांचेस जो यहाँ पे हैं जो सर्विस करते हैं उनके लिए,
Hmm.
एंड minorities like us which are smaller studios but they only know to tell their own stories. We are not interested in telling somebody else's stories because that is not our forte, that is not our potential. Our potential is much more than that, I feel.
Very true.
So telling your own stories or making your own films is not an easy task. you know
Hmm.
Providing service to another storyteller is only part of the job, a small part. It is very integral part, yes, but telling of the story is so critical. So that is the soul of a project. So that is what we enjoy. And over the years, whatever you've seen of our work, primarily
Hmm.
we like to tell our own, create our own IP. चाहे वो 15 सेकंड की लंपुट की शॉट हो, या 30 सेकंड या 1 मिनट की अगर कोई कमर्शियल हो, या
Hmm.
एपिसोडिक में भी, जैसे लंपुट की वी मेड 2 मिनटर्स, वी मेड 5 मिनटर्स, 7 मिनटर्स, 11 मिनटर्स. सो
Hmm.
ड्यूरेशन जो भी हो, एंड ओवर द इयर्स our next biggest challenge is our feature film, which is Return of the Jungle, which, I'm happy to share that it's going to release next year during summer vacations. So we are all set on the release of the film. We are working towards that. So for us, the challenge is all of this. In fact, Return
Yeah.
of the Jungle has been such a big learning for us कि मरमिट के एक छोटी टीम ने उस फिल्म को बनाई है. अब जब फिल्म बन गई है तो हमें पता है कि ये आधा ही काम है. The
Okay.
next, the bigger task is how do you reach it to your audiences. हमें अगर थिएट्रिकल रिलीज करना है, सो वी आर कंपीटिंग विद योर अमिताभ बच्चन एंड शाहरुख खान एंड सलमान खान, बिकॉज हम भी उसी स्क्रीन के लिए compete कर रहे हैं ना. जहां उनकी
Yes.
फिल्में लगने वाली वहां हमारी फिल्म भी लगनी चाहिए. हम उसी उसी स्पेस के लिए compete कर रहे हैं, एंड हम भी उसी ऑडियंस को अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं कि आप थिएटर आओ, हमारी फिल्म देखो.
Yeah.
सो हाउ डू यू रीच योर प्रोडक्ट विच यू मेड. पहले फिल्म बना ही नहीं थी कभी, अब एटलीस्ट फिल्म बनाई है, फीचर फिल्म.
Yeah.
सो द स्मॉल टीम is learning a lot, and now
Hmm.
is a biggest learning, because now the film is done, we have to reach it to the audience, and we have to reach the audience to the theater. That is an even bigger challenge.
Very
As
true.
soon as you say Indian animation, people don't want to take you seriously. अरे animation अच्छा, बच्चों की फिल्म है, कार्टून फिल्म है,
Yeah,
लोग नहीं
but
आएंगे.
that's what I was going to say. Kids,
Yeah.
kids will know.
So our film Return of the Jungle is also about kids. It's also about children, but it's not something to be looked down upon.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
us, children are much more mature, much more intelligent than grown-ups. So I really enjoy keeping them in mind when I make my films. But
Mm-hmm.
like as parents, just because your kid asks क्या मुझे कोका कोला पीना है, you will not give it directly. और मुझे सिर्फ
Yeah.
लॉलीपॉप खाना है, आज लंच नहीं खाना है. You will not agree to that. You
Yes.
will ensure that the child gets good food, nutritious food, or whatever. You'll package it, try to make it tasty so that that guy consumes more of it. Same with our
Mm-hmm.
films. That's also something that you're giving to your audiences. They are like, you need to be very responsible with your audiences. So
Hmm.
बच्चे हैं तो इसका मतलब नहीं कुछ भी दो उनको. And when you
Right.
make, films, like our intention is to appeal to the entire family. It's not like सिर्फ बच्चे देख के खुश होंगे. बच्चों को तो अच्छी लगेगी, But
Yeah.
grown-ups will also connect with it when you make it in a matured manner, even though it's about children. So
There's already a
yeah.
message.
So
Good.
yes. So making of the film is one chapter. Selling it, distributing it, reaching it to our audiences, and we made this for tier 2, tier 3, entire
Mm,
audience and family audience, regardless
mm,
of age. Like aapke, you can watch it with your father, with your
mm.
grandfather, and you should still enjoy watching it together. So we've done so many test screenings and we've had very good results. So we are looking forward to that Akri Pada next year, theaters.
This sounds so nice. It's must be in different languages also, right?
Right now
Uh,
Hindi, because हमारी औकात नहीं है अभी अलग अलग languages में dub करने की, because see we are investing our own funds into
okay, okay.
each aspect of it. So अभी production पे हो गया है काम, अभी distribution is also a huge investment which we are raising.
So much love that you guys are putting into this.
धरती के कई विशाल वनों में से ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहां
अबे वो छोड़
इस फ्राइडे को फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन है। तू पार्ट ले रहा है? इस बार का फाइनल जीतना है।
क्रिकेट फाइनल्स की ट्रॉफी कौन जीतेगा?
ताता इस साल ट्रॉफी का कोई चांस नहीं लग रहा।
मुझे नहीं लेना पार्ट फैंसी ड्रेस में।
लेकिन मैच का क्या होगा?
मैं क्या बन सकता हूँ ताता?
अब मैं तुम्हें एक सीक्रेट बात बताता हूँ। जो बाहर से दिखता है वो हमेशा सच नहीं होता, पर अगर आप अंदर से स्ट्रांग हो तो बाहर से जो चाहो बन सकते हो।
अब बस एक ही चारा है।
हेलो
कैसे हो?
तुम लोगों की मैच में धज्जियां नहीं उड़ाई ना? मेरा नाम भी राहुल मल्होत्रा नहीं।
यार आप क्या करेंगे यार?
मेरे पास एक ब्रिलियंट आइडिया।
मगर भाई आप टेंशन मत लो।
जी तुम्हारी ही होगी।
तू चित्रा का चुप कर यार।
संगीत की ना कदर ही नहीं है।
क्या हो गया तुझे? इन लोग को देख के तो मेरा दिल भर आया।
अरे यार।
But when you said this line, I think I believe that people tend to depend, as you said, animation is outsourced. People tend to depend when they don't believe in themselves. So why do you think that other animation studios are trying to outsource? And when you say that we are outsourcing from foreign companies, um, do you also feel that ऐसा एक टाइम आना चाहिए कि इंडिया से लोग ये कर रहे हैं कि, और यू वांट एवरीवन टू बी इन देयर ओन स्पेस?
See, I don't know. Again, that first thing you mentioned, what did you say? ये हमारी strength है या क्या? आपने जो पहली
When
बात
you tend to over depend on someone for some work, you usually there is this thing that you don't believe in yourself.
believe in yourself. Okay. See, even the people who are doing outsourced work,
Mm.
they believe in themselves, but their forte is different. Their strength is different. Everybody need not be a storyteller or a director or a producer, right?
Okay.
You need, like, say, in a war, everyone cannot be a general or a commander. You need the foot soldiers. नहीं तो
Yeah.
लड़ेंगे कौन? तो हर बंदे को डायरेक्टर बनना या प्रोड्यूसर बनना या स्क्रिप्ट राइटर बनना जरूरी नहीं है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है they don't believe in themselves. They do believe in themselves. Even the execution. If I'm a good modeler or a lighting artist, or if I'm an excellent 2D animator or art director, I believe in my work. I may be doing work for a foreign client, but my work is so good that why should I not do? I'm not complaining कि वो ecosystem नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
Outsourcing sustains our industry, and it gives employment to such a huge audience.
okay.
But yes, like you mentioned, at the core of it, you are not self-dependent. You are
Hmm.
depending on foreign currency. You're depending on an ecosystem abroad, which अगर वो लोग अच्छा करेंगे तो हमारा भी काम अच्छा चलेगा. This is an important thing you've raised because just recently, last 2 years, I've not been very good on that front. Like
Okay.
AI आ गया तो अगर अमेरिकन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में स्ट्राइक्स हुए, actors strike, writers strike. As a result,
Yeah.
films are not being shot. As a result, VFX वालों को अपना फुटेज नहीं मिल रहा है, फिल्म ही नहीं शूट हो रही है, तो यहाँ का
Okay.
धंधा डाउन हुआ. You heard that Technicolor is shut down overnight.
Hmm.
मतलब फेब के एंड में बताया गया है कि बंद कर रहे हैं और फेब का भी पगार नहीं मिला लोगों को. हजारों लोग have they've just been downsized. Meaning downsized क्या मतलब पूरा wrap up हुआ है. So there are sad stories also, there are challenges, but like you cannot say that it's wrong to do that. That industry will thrive, and that industry still is what is creating, bringing in the monies. So that will never die, and it should not. So
Yeah.
coming back to that thing of self-belief, even like whoever is executing, that entire ecosystem is executing so beautifully. Our Indian animation studios have won Oscars, multiple Oscars, because they're creating very good quality work. And
Yeah.
so the artists who are working on that also have immense belief in themselves. कि यार हम गजब का काम करके देंगे अपने client के लिए. So there's nothing wrong in it at all. It is just that those who have the potential or the excitement to tell our stories, हमें ऐसे लोगों की और जरूरत है, क्योंकि हम बना ही नहीं रहे अच्छी कहानियां. Why did our films in theater did not do well? No, why did they not do well? Because we were probably not telling our stories well.
True.
So we need good storytellers, and there are few exceptions, which have done well. More recently, it's we've had the biggest positive case study in the form of Mahavatar Narsimha. 3.5
Yeah.
करोड़ कमाई उसने, और भी I'm sure it's still making money. So it's done even better than so many live action films that were released theatrically. So we need more storytellers like that who will make films with their gut feel, who will also be talented enough to produce good content apart from good storytelling, and who would have a good support on the distribution front, because so many things have to work for a film, especially a theatrical, to do well.
Definitely, there's a lot of behind the scenes. Um, Before I move on to the next one, I have like one more question that I wrote down right now. What is good storytelling for you? I mean, if you have to come up with a good script, is it just out of sensitive observation that you come up with a good script, or stories that you hear, या चलते चलते कोई बात कर रहा था and something just strike your brain and then you write a good script? What do you think? How do you go about it?
See, so the teller of the story, to me, is very, very important. Who's telling the story?
Mhm.
Whether it's a director or you know the story, especially in the case of animation, needs to be very close to me as a director or as a creator. Only then can I express it truthfully. So telling your story very truthfully is the first step. If you are excited with a story, you need to truthfully capture that excitement in your film. So that
Correct.
is the very first step.
Do you mean कि दिल से बताना है, not with an intention to sell it to the next person, या फिर इस इंसान को मुझे पटाना ही है ये बता के?
See,
Do you mean telling it all with your heart कि दिल से बताना है?
true, that is the only way. Because अगर हर एक बंदा ये बोले कि यार मुझे पैसे कमाने के लिए बनाना है, मुझे भी बनाना है, ठीक है, मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं दिल से फिल्में बनाता हूँ, बट मुझे भी तो फिल्म पैसे बनाने, बिकॉज पैसे बनाऊंगा तभी मैं अब मेरी अगली फिल्म बना पाऊंगा.
करेक्ट.
बट वो उतना आसान नहीं है ना. अगर
हाँ.
हर कोई, अगर वो पैसे बनाने का एक फॉर्मूला होता तो एवरी फिल्म वुड हैव बीन अ 300 crore blockbuster. Why do we
True.
get it wrong? So
Mm.
I feel the best bet, there is a risk always, but the best bet you have is when you make something which is very close to you,
Uh-huh.
because only then will it be a unique story.
Correct.
Again, when I say a unique story, uh, I mean the telling of that story. अभी आप
हाँ.
देखो महाभारत कितने लोगों ने बनाए, रामायण भी कितने लोगों ने बनाए. अभी नमित मल्होत्रा इज मेकिंग अनदर वर्जन ऑफ रामायण,
Mhm.
but he is so committed, or he is seeing it a certain way. So Namit's Ramayana will be very different from a Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana or a Japanese production which we saw recently. So even though the story or the content, the story may be the same, but the
Mm.
teller of the story makes all the difference.
Very true.
So yeah, so that is when the experience becomes unique for the audience, ना कि हाँ मैंने रामायण बचपन से मैंने सुनी है, बट जब ये रामायण बना रहा है तो वो कैसे बनाएगा, मुझे देखना है.
Hmm. Hmm.
वहीं पे किसी ने रामायण बनाया जो बहुत फ्लॉप हुआ और जिसको गालियां भी पड़ी, आदि पुरुष.
Yeah.
तो some everyone is probably making an effort, but not everybody is getting it right. Winning the hearts of the audience. If you do so, I feel the your best bet is to make it very truthfully. आपको जो चीज अगर अगर वो सच में आपको अच्छी लग रही है,
Yeah.
तो आप उस एनर्जी को कैसे कैप्चर करोगे? यू हैव टू बी ट्रूथफुल. यू कैनॉट, you are experiencing something and you have to work hard to capture that. जब आप फिल्म पे डालते हो आपको वो फिल्म अच्छी लगनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
अच्छी लगेगी तभी आपको लगेगा ना, हाँ मैंने जो सोचा मैंने उसको कैप्चर किया है.
Sure.
देन आई कैन ओनली होप कि हाँ मेरे ऑडियंस को भी वो उतनी अच्छी लगे जो जितनी मुझे लगी.
Correct.
So just these two things. Every filmmaker probably tries to do that.
Very true. And Dil se banana hai. And there is one more line you said in the beginning that we have always produced work that we enjoy. Today morning only I was reading a blog. A person had wrote about Piyush Pandey and Samir Shah as to how they never worked to sell their story. They were just so human and so truthful in themselves that people, um, even if they don't know the man behind the scenes, they still remember the feeling
True.
of whatever they captured. And so similarly, in this era of like dominated digital tools, artificial intelligence, aa gaya, virtual reality, etc., what do you believe makes your work or animation deeply human? I mean, if when this world, now there are two things happening. There is a set thing that you have at your own studio, that you have to be human, truthful to yourself, traditional, close to Indian roots. And there is another world which is constantly evolving so rapidly. So how do you balance both, that you have to keep up with the new generation also, you don't have to fall back in that sense also, but you have to keep that humanness alive also? I mean, it has that, how do you keep the soul alive,
Right.
basically?
See,
Yeah.
you have to keep nurturing yourself as a storyteller or as a creator. And each one has different ways of doing it. Like I enjoy observing people because people form a very integral part of my films or my stories.
Yes.
So different types of people, maybe, that's our default setting, that, we are built in a way that we enjoy observing traits of people. But beyond that, as the world changes, we are also changing because we need to be connected with everyday world. That is very important. If you're
Yeah.
connected, then you're constantly reacting to all the changes that are happening and you are adapting to it. You are also absorbing those changes. You are embracing them, and you are also making your decisions कि यार ये मैं नहीं change करूंगा. So your identity keeps forming with the things you take in and with the things you leave out. So ये दो चीजों से आपका जो फिल्टर है वो और स्ट्रांग होता रहता है कि आपको क्या चीज पसंद है आप रखते हो.
Hmm.
So we also keep changing. So uh, so technology is just a tool. It is allowing you to do newer things differently. So if it helps you, you use it. So again, like with AI also, every artist is probably going to use AI very differently based on what she wants to make AI do.
Hmm.
So, and the other thing about telling our rooted cultural stories, uh, that is not a very strong prerequisite for me. For me, whatever is within you, अगर आपको एक कंटेम्प्रेरी स्टोरी बनानी है, अगर आपको वो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो वो आप वो बनाओ. बट बी ट्रूथफुल. दैट ट्रूथफुल थिंग इज ओवरराइड्स एवरीथिंग एल्स. आप लंपुट देखो, लंपुट में क्या है, इंडियन कल्चरल क्या है उसमें? कुछ भी तो नहीं है. इट्स अ ग्लोबल शो. उसमें डायलॉग्स भी नहीं है,
Yeah.
बट लोगों को अच्छी लगती है. क्यों? क्योंकि एक डायरेक्टर है आनंद बाबू, जो पागल की तरह सोचता है और गजब की कहानियां बनाता है, और उसको कुछ किरदार मिले. He has Lamport, he has these two doctors, he's building the entire world, of Lamport, and he enjoys telling stories using those characters. He's doing it very truthfully. He works very hard to ensure that only his best ideas go out.
Yeah.
So that is all that is needed. मतलब
Hmm.
आपको जबरदस्ती मुझे इंडियन फिल्म बनाना है, ऐसा नहीं है. लंपुट भी इंडियन है ना. वी आर प्राउड कि
Yes.
हम लोग, मतलब 2 एमी नॉमिनेशंस मिल चुका है लंपुट को, और कोई एनिमेटेड इंडियन एनिमेटेड कंटेंट नहीं है जिसे एक भी एमी नॉमिनेशन मिला हो. सो इंडिया के लिए प्राइड एक अलग बात है, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि वो लंपुट भी इंडियन ही है.
Yeah.
कांदिवली में, मुंबई के कांदिवली में बन रहा है वो चीज, और पूरी तरह से मतलब यहाँ का ही ओरिजिन है ना.
Yeah.
So
True. True.
same with Return of the Jungle. It's a full, what whatever you may want to say, local, vocal for local. वही है. आत्मनिर्भर फिल्म है. एक एक
Okay.
पैसा हमने डाला है. हर एक आर्टिस्ट यहाँ का बंदा है, और अपने अपने कल्चर को, मतलब हमने हमने बहुत ट्रूथफुली कैप्चर किया है एनिमेशन में, जो मुझे नहीं लगता है और किसी ने इस तरह से अभी तक फिल्म बनाई है, जो कंटेम्प्रेरी. ठीक है, मिथोलॉजी देखते हैं बहुत भर भर के, but
Mhm.
Return of the Jungle is contemporary stories mixed with folk stories. So it's a very unique world which our audiences have never seen before.
This is a very yeah. This is a very different question that I want to ask. When you go to so many events, you came to our college also recently, Avantika University. When you go to talk to such events or such colleges, do you go with the single motive कि मुझे young designers में ये एक seed plant करना है through what I talk, और what is that one urge that you have कि मुझे ये young designers में डालना है?
See, there are a couple of things. One, definitely what you said. That urge is very, very important. I, as a mentor or as a teacher or whatever name you may want to give it,
Mm.
it is also my duty to inspire my students, because I need to present the subject to them in such an inspiring manner, or such a
Yeah.
simple manner, that they should get hooked to it.
Hmm.
My job is to get you excited with my subject as a teacher. So definitely I have to sow seeds of excitement. अगर आप
Yeah.
excited हो तो आप, आधा काम मेरा हो गया ना. अगर
Yeah.
आप excited ही नहीं हो तो आप जाओगे नहीं उसकी तरफ, आप काम ही नहीं करोगे.
सोचोगे भी नहीं.
The other way, once you're addicted, then you will not leave it. Then you will surpass your own expectations.
Mm.
मतलब स्टूडेंट्स जब एकदम पूरे जोश में आ जाते हैं, तो फिर शायद घर भी नहीं जाते हैं, स्टूडियो में बैठे रहते हैं रात-रात भर, कोई लोग सोता भी नहीं है, खत्म करते हैं काम। उनको अपना काम को वो क्रिटिक भी करते हैं कि यार ये मैंने बना दिया है मगर मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, मैं फिर से बनाऊँ और भी अच्छा बनाऊँ। सो pushing each student, like say if a batch has say 20-25 students or whatever the number is, each student may need to be excited very differently. So
Very true.
so yeah, whenever I'm going to a new place, that is definitely on my mind. And other than that, I also am looking forward to learning, because each student is a unique challenge also, and a unique case study for me also
Yes.
to learn. To
Yes.
meet different people. Like I said, people. When you're
Yeah.
going, you're meeting people then they're students, you're meeting a new generation, a different generation of students. So, like you said, every day things are changing. So
True.
when I go to teach, I am, exposing myself to that change. I'm interacting with a bunch of a generation of students who are very, very different. And I'm excited to share my views and to learn from them also, to observe कि उनके views क्या हैं. And there, if I can guide them, or if I see that I can help them in some way, then that feels very satisfying.
Very true. Like when we came into college, or even when we started our design education, there were a lot of folks who started directly with digital mediums, who started directly drawing on papers. And then we had sirs, mentors used to come scold us, make pencil and paper your best friend. So I want to ask you that what are some traditional methods, mindsets, or habits that you would urge young designers, no matter what, jitni bhi advanced ho jaye technology, to hold on to those traditional methods? What are some things that you have in mind?
See, sketching is something I like to always propose.
Yeah.
Sketching from life.
Hmm.
As in, आप कोई image देख के उसको copy मत करो.
Okay.
आप live people हो या spaces हो, उसको study करो. Like, go out. As students of fine arts, we used to do that. Our assignments was that, and that has really helped me. We used to go
Capture
to
the
the flower market or railway station, bus stop, जहां भी लोग हैं, वहां बैठ जाओ आप एक कोने में, अपना स्केचबुक लो, पेंसिल लो, आपको जो लोग दिख रहे हैं आप उसको बनाते जाओ. वहां आपके लिए लोग पोज नहीं करने वाले. They might just suddenly get up and run to catch their bus, or they may change, but you have to capture everyday life. That I really love even now. And that
Yeah.
I feel has helped me, because when you're observing everyday life, you are actually observing first-hand information. You are not
Yeah.
copying somebody else's picture or image. You are going to a location where sunlight is falling. You are seeing how it, affects the trees or the buildings or the water. You are observing reflections, shadows, colors, textures. So, आपको जो चीज अच्छी लग रही है आप उसको अपने स्केच में ले रहे हो. जो नहीं अच्छी लग रही है उसको आप आपके स्केच में नहीं ले रहे हो आप. तो अगेन दैट फिल्टर व्हिच आई स्पोक अबाउट, your perception, your observation, all that gets strengthened.
This exercise one really helped me to be sensitive in design. To मतलब sensitivity हर किसी में होती है. You need to polish it and leverage it. I did this experiment. I tried, because I was also in communication design. We used to do this. I tried sketching at bus stand, railway station, airport, and I captured that essence in a way कि हर जगह एक ही आदमी, मतलब मैं भी, I would behave different in a bus stand, different at a railway station, different at an airport. So by such ways I became so sensitive कि मतलब मैं अगर रेलवे पे हूँ तो I won't even mind sitting on the floor, because हाँ ठीक है सब बैठे, but I won't do that on an airport.
Correct.
So this really helps. Live sketching does help you.
Right.
observe
Because
a
you're
lot.
observing so many things, like you said, the spaces are different,
Yeah.
and therefore the behavior of people is different.
Hmm.
The costumes are different, the accessories are different,
Yeah.
the luggage is different. So
Luggage bags are different.
yeah, everything, so it's just like you are exposing yourself to everyday life. You are putting things inside, because in animation you're not going to shoot something. You have to take out everything from inside. तो जितना आप अंदर डालोगे वही निकलेगा बाहर।
करेक्ट। एंड ये तो मेथड्स के बारे में हो गया, विच इज समथिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग हैंड्स ऑन और माइंडफुली। बट अभी क्या हो रहा है इस जनरेशन में, दैट वी आर सो लॉस्ट वन बिहाइंड चेजिंग ट्रेंड्स. I would say lost. We are torn apart between chasing trends and staying true to ourselves. So what are some mindsets that you want us to um, कि कभी नहीं छोड़ना है, ये पर्टिकुलर माइंडसेट कभी नहीं छोड़ना है?
सी एक बहुत चीज जरूरी है, वो है आपकी क्लैरिटी, स्टूडेंट की
Okay.
क्लैरिटी कि मुझे अच्छा क्या लगता है। ट्रेंड्स भी, देयर नथिंग रॉन्ग इन ट्रेंड्स, ट्रेंड्स कैन बी इंस्पायरिंग। मतलब कोई चीज देखा आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा, आप वैसा करना चाहते हो, आप करो वो चीज, मतलब उसको उतनी ही अच्छे से करो, वो ज्यादा जरूरी है। देख के इंस्पायर होना एक बात है, बट उसको एक्शन में अपने काम में ट्रांसलेट करना ज्यादा जरूरी है। एंड यू हैव टू फिगर आउट योर वे टू डू इट। You don't need to copy that exactly.
I have one doubt that is constantly running in my back mind. When you said that you do work that you enjoy and put the work that you truthfully like or love, but अभी समझो you are representing the audience of 100 people. अगर जो कहानी मुझे अच्छी लग रही है वो आपको अच्छी ना लगे ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन माई राइट नाउ आई एम अ यूएक्स डिजाइनर, सो व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग सम डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट, वी गो टॉक टू यूजर्स, वी टेक देयर इंटरव्यूज कि भाई आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, आपको क्या पसंद है, बिकॉज दिस टू आर वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग्स, बट कोर डिजाइन में मैं सिर्फ मेरे ही मन का कैसे करूं, मतलब हाउ विल आई नो इफ दैट इज समथिंग दैट द यूजर वुड लाइक और लव?
Yeah,
um
yeah,
yeah.
that's a valid thing.
Hmm.
That gut feel of
Hmm.
what you think might work develops over many years. Because you have to take a decision based on something. You cannot always predict कि ऑडियंस को ये अच्छी लगेगी तो मैं इस तरह से करता हूँ, बिकॉज मतलब अगर 100 लोग हैं तो 100 लोगों की अपनी अपनी, मतलब अपने उनके पसंद नापसंद सब अलग होंगे।
Hmm.
तो मैं नहीं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि यार अभी जैसे अगर हम रिटर्न ऑफ द जंगल भी बना रहे हैं, मैं वो कहानी बता रहा हूँ जो मुझे बतानी है, जो मुझे अच्छी लगती है। आई एम माई फर्स्ट ऑडियंस।
Yeah.
आई डोंट नो कि भोपाल में लोगों को उस सीन के बारे में वो क्या सोचेंगे, या कर्नाटक में कहीं पे वो क्या सोचेंगे, या कोलकाता एज अ मेट्रो।
मुश्किल है
आई हैव,
सोचना भी।
हाउ कैन आई प्रिडिक्ट कौन क्या
Yeah.
बोलेगा, एंड स्पेशली इन अ कंट्री लाइक इंडिया विच इज सो वास्ट, सो डाइवर्स।
Yeah.
I can only, over the years, I can only guess कि
Yes.
मैं ये कहानी बोल रहा हूँ। जब मैं कहानी कंसीव भी करता हूँ तो एक एक बाउंसिंग ऑफ ऑटोमेटिकली मैं करता हूँ कि यार ये कहानी अच्छी, मुझे तो अच्छी लग रही है, बट जब मैं ऑडियंस को दूं उससे पहले क्या उनको अच्छी लगेगी, एक वो थॉट बहुत जरूरी है। क्योंकि आप कहानी सिर्फ खुद की कंजम्पशन के लिए नहीं बना रहे। जब आप एक्साइटेड हो, आप अपने पेरेंट्स को कॉल नहीं करते हो कि अरे आज काम में ना मुझे प्रमोशन मिला, या आज बॉस ने बहुत अच्छा बोला, या आज मैंने एक काम किया मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आई डोंट नो उनको अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं, बट आई एम डैम एक्साइटेड। यू शेयर नो विद समवन और द अदर, और योर रूममेट, और योर गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड जो भी हो, आप किसी के साथ तो जब एक्साइटेड होते हो या सैड भी होते हो, और वट एवर द इमोशन इज, समटाइम्स यू शेयर, राइट? सो
Very nice.
अ फिल्म मेकर इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग. I am so
On a big,
excited to tell my story that I have captured it in a film. Now I am excited to reach it to my audience, तो मैं distribution भी सीखूंगा.
and people actually care when they know that you care.
I hope so. I will know
Yeah.
that only next year when the film releases.
I think ये ना एक पूरा सर्कल बना रहा है, like you said, live sketching, observing, sensitive over the years build होता है, and then it's just the gut feeling. I was also talking to Gaurav Jewel on my show, and उन्होंने कहा था कि मैं बस ऐसे गली में चलते चलते लोगों के phrases सुनता हूँ कि while I'm walking. उज्जैन की हिंदी बहुत अलग है, यूपी की हिंदी बहुत अलग है, एंड लोगों को सरफेस लेवल पे पता होता है उनको क्या चाहिए, बट व्हेन यू ब्रिंग आउट समथिंग जो उनको सबकॉन्शियसली पता होता है कि उनको क्या चाहिए, बट कॉन्शियसली नहीं पता होता. व्हेन यू ब्रिंग आउट दैट थिंग, आई थिंक इट कैप्चर्स देम मोर. बट एक सवाल ऐसा है, now that we have talked so much about observing and sensitivity, I want to talk about Vodafone Zuzus. I mean, it has become a very unforgettable part of our Indian pop culture. Matlab, what is that you observed in your surrounding that this idea struck your mind? I mean, how did this idea come to life?
Okay, so firstly, it's not our idea. We did not create the Vodafone Zuzus.
Okay.
The Vodafone Zuzus are not even animated.
Okay.
So the Zuzus were created by O&M Mumbai and
Mhm.
Nirvana Films in Bangalore.
Okay.
They are real people wearing costumes.
Oh
Okay, so yeah. So
my God.
so for many years, Vodafone ran that beautiful campaign. IPL के वक्त
Okay.
आते थे Zuzus की फिल्में. और हम भी देखते थे यूनिक नए 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 फिल्में. Very simple, very quirky and amazing way to explain the features of the brand.
But when we say Vodafone Zuzus, Vaibhav Studios names always comes
Yeah,
up.
yeah. I'm coming to that. So a few years later, Vodafone decided to make small zoomies, like
हाँ,
another bunch of Zuzus, which were called zoomies,
हाँ,
green
हाँ.
helmet pen ke.
Hmm.
Those they could obviously not shoot live. So that is when we created them digitally. And after the first few years, even the Vodafone Zuzus, the people wearing costumes, वो भी हम लोग animate करते थे. उसको भी हमने digitally create किया हुआ. So there have been animated versions of the character also, but we did not conceive them. We did not create them. Zuzus
Okay.
पहले बन चुके थे 4-5 साल तक उसकी कैंपेन बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो रही थी. Only
Hmm.
later we started creating them in animation as well.
Did you get a chance to speak to them as to why and how did they think that this idea would work so brilliantly? I mean,
See, it was so simple, number
uh,
one, but to arrive at that simplicity, they broke their heads like mad because they had a very tight deadline. I don't know
okay.
exactly किसने क्या decision लिया, but
हाँ,
as a team, the O&M creative heads and Verma, who's the director of
hmm,
Nirvana Films,
हाँ,
they pitched many options, and
hmm,
finally they just went ahead with this, which they felt was very very correct. In fact, those large heads have replaceable expressions. So
as in?
meaning face जो smile है या sad है या angry है, आंखों के जो shapes थे, it's like
Uh-huh.
I'm wearing a huge helmet and I'm performing inside, but outside people would उसके face का जो expression है वो हर shot
Yeah.
के लिए shot की जरूरत के हिसाब से वो expressions बदलते थे.
This is the most interesting information I've heard in a while.
Look up, there must be making of Zuzus also.
Yes, I really want to. I love BTS things. Um, so as you said that इंडियन एनिमेशन को मतलब जैसे बच्चों की फिल्म है ऐसा लिया जाता है या फिर इवन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फोक्स हु से दैट डिजाइन मैच्योरिटी और आर्ट मैच्योरिटीज इन इंडिया इज स्टिल डेवलपिंग. आई वोंट से इट्स ऑन अ लो लेवल, इट्स इवॉल्विंग, इट्स डेवलपिंग. एंड saying so, you could have also easily not worked towards Indian animation. आप बहुत आसानी से you could have got somewhere else. Um, what are some things that you love about the Indian audience that motivates you to, I think, to work towards Indian animation constantly? कुछ quirks है, emotions है, कुछ habits है इंडियन लोगों की जो आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती है, that you really want to work for, to leverage animation in India, in our country.
Okay, so there are 2-3 things that you asked me.
Yeah.
Firstly, audience है या नहीं है वो देख के हम लोग एनिमेशन में नहीं घुसे. लाइक आई टोल्ड
Okay.
यू, आई एम द ऑडियंस.
Yes.
मुझे अच्छी लगी, प्लस
Hmm.
by God's grace I'm probably born with a certain gift which
Hmm.
is a talent of maybe drawing or sculpting or acting or singing or so whether it's the visual art or the performing art, I'm very excited to do that. So for me, animation, I feel, was a natural choice where I could fuse art form, both performing and visual. I could fuse storytelling to it. I could fuse filmmaking to it. So therefore, I kept graduating towards that.
Hmm.
NID जैसी एक जगह है जहाँ आप एनिमेशन सीखते हो, मुझे पता भी नहीं था पहले. फाइन आर्ट्स जब मैं कर रहा था तो माय 5th ईयर फाइनल ईयर में मुझे पता चला कि ऐसी एक जगह है जहाँ पे आप एनिमेशन फिल्में बना सकते हो. तो अब एक क्यूरियोसिटी आई, वाओ, एनिमेशन फिल्में तो देखी है मैंने एज अ किड, बट टू मेक आवर ओन फिल्म्स, दैट वुड बी सो लवली. सो उस वक्त ये भी एक कोई एनिमेशन इंडस्ट्री क्या होती है, कोई जॉब होगा, मैं क्या करूंगा ग्रेजुएट होने के बाद, ये सब ख्याल भी नहीं है. एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो नेवर आस्क्ड कि यार तू एनिमेशन कर रहा है, इसमें क्या फ्यूचर है. नेवर. माय डैड इज अ रिटायर्ड आर्मी ऑफिसर एंड माय मॉम इज अ मैथ्स एंड साइंस टीचर. तो अगर इफ दे हैड टू you know have their way, they could have forced me to go into maths and science. I was good at that. I could have done something on that also, but they were so supportive that they've been seeing me from a young age being so interested in this thing, in drawing or acting, or so many things, storytelling basically. So when in fact my dad found out that there is a course called fine arts, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था इन सब के बारे में. So I'm grateful for that because that journey has been so smooth. मैंने 11th और 12th भी नहीं किया है. आप लोग तो 12th पास हो ना, मैं 10th पास हूँ, because during our time you could do graduation after 10th also. You didn't necessarily have to do 11th and 12th. So मैंने 11th 12th नहीं किया है. So I smoothly after 10th I went into fine arts. I did 5 years of fine arts. Then another 2.5 years of post graduation, which was animation. So so we did not get into the medium thinking पगार क्या मिलेगा, इंडस्ट्री है भी कि नहीं हमें नहीं पता, बट हमारी जो क्यूरियोसिटी है, भूख है कि यार ये सीखना है और ये बनाना है, अपनी क्रिएशंस बनानी है, बस that is what is driving us even today.
Correct.
So again, coming back to that thing, I am my first audience. If I am enjoying what I'm creating, only then I will give it to my other audience. And I'll hope that they also enjoy it. वो जो शबरी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, शबरी ने बेर को टेस्ट करके पहले क्यूसी किया ना, क्वालिटी चेक किया कि ये बेस्ट है, मैं यही श्रीराम को दूंगी. That is such a great thing, So our audience is also like our Shriram, no? Why should I give them inferior stuff? If I'm not excited with something, why should I give that to my audience?
Very true.
So same like we discussed with children. If I don't approve of some lollipop or a cola, why will I give it to my child? I won't. So that was the reason for getting into it. पहली बात कि हमें अच्छा लगता है करने के लिए, हम ये करना चाहते हैं, और जब we are excited with something, we want to share it with our audience. बस ये दो ही चीजें हैं.
I think money will come today or tomorrow, but
See, money कौन आपको देने वाला है? आपकी ऑडियंस दिलाएगी ना. तो अगर आप कुछ ऐसा करो जो आपके ऑडियंस को इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, तो वो क्यों ना पैसा देगी आपको.
circle, correct.
तो आपके हाथ में क्या है कि आप अपना काम बहुत ईमानदारी से करो और गजब का काम करो. उसके आगे आप छोड़ दो कि अभी जैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, हम अपनी फिल्म को थिएटर ले जा रहे हैं और हम अपनी पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि ऑडियंस को इम्प्रेस करें ट्रेलर्स और टीजर से कि भाई बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है हमने, जाके देखो. फ्राइडे को अगर रिलीज होती है तो वीकेंड तक हमें पता चल जाएगा, 3 दिन में जब ऑडियंस देख लेगी. उसके आगे हमारे हाथ में नहीं. हम जबरदस्ती चौथे दिन उनको नहीं बोल सकते भाई फिर से जा थिएटर में देख, नहीं. वो क्यों देखे? अगर उसको अच्छी लगी तो वो खुद से 10 लोगों को बोलेगा ना कि वाह बहुत मस्त फिल्म मुझे लगी है यार, तू भी जाके देख, बच्चों को ले जाओ, पेरेंट्स को भी लेके जाओ, देखो ये फिल्म. That's how Narasimha spread like wildfire. So after you've made your product, it's not in your head. till you were
Correct.
making it, it was in your head, and you made it the way you wanted to. So that is where you can. That is where we discussed all that. Yeah, truthfully बनाओ. एक बार बना दिया है, अपने ऑडियंस को दे दिया है. It's up to the audience. उनको अच्छा लगा तो वो अपना बनाएंगे उसको और वो फैलाएंगे. फिर आपको फैलाने में भी कोई मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
True. I mean, most of the speakers that I've talked to, ये line ना common रही है. Our parents were so supportive, which is why we are here. And I think बहुत important है ये चीज that they trust you and they believe you कि कुछ ना कुछ कर ही लेगा. So that is very important. Before we move on to audience ask, what is one work that you have found the most challenging, and what is one work that you have absolutely loved and enjoyed doing despite challenges?
See, the answer is our film, feature film, Return of the Jungle. अब तक का मेरे लिए तो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज यही है और
अच्छा.
हमारी पूरी स्टूडियो ने ऐसा पहले कभी नहीं किया है.
हम्म.
It has been challenging on so many fronts. Like I said, making of the film, क्योंकि हम ही पैसे भी हम ही बना रहे थे, तो
हम्म.
कितनी सारी चीजें हमने इसमें सीखी है कि फिल्म एक तो पहले 100 मिनट्स की फिल्म हमने कभी नहीं बनाई. हम तो 15 सेकेंड, 1 मिनट, ठीक है, 11 मिनट की एक लंपुट 11 मिनट तक हमने बनाई है, बट 100 मिनट हमने कभी नहीं बनाई.
God.
तो वो भी मतलब उसके लिए पैसे भी हमें बनाने हैं. तो वी आर investing our own funds. So making of the money, then making of the film, now selling of the film or reaching it to the audience, all of that is a new challenge. We've never done that. So theater is a new entity for us because this is the first time that we are producing our own IP and selling it. लंपुट में हमें वो करना नहीं पड़ा. क्यों? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर था, एग्जीबिटर था, वो कार्टून नेटवर्क था. They've commissioned it to us. हमें सिर्फ क्रिएशन बनाना था.
Correct.
उसको एग्जिबिट करने वाले, उसको माइलेज देने वाले कार्टून नेटवर्क थे. सो वी हैड दैट व्हीकल कि उसमें लोग ऑडियंस तक तो वो ही पहुंचा रहे हैं. सिंपू चैनल भी पहुंचा रहा था. हमारे जितने भी एड्स हैं, हमारे क्लाइंट्स पैसा दे के उसको एयर करते हैं. वोडाफोन के जो मतलब वोडाफोन पेज एंड बाइज एयर टाइम. अगर हमारा काम आईपीएल में दिख रहा है, हम खुश हो रहे हैं, वाह लोग हमारा काम देख रहे हैं, बट पैसे वोडाफोन नहीं दिए ना. यहाँ पे वो काम हम कर रहे हैं. अपने पैसे से फिल्म बना भी रहे हैं, अपनी पैसे से हम मीडिया खरीद रहे हैं, वहां एडवर्टाइज करेंगे और ये सब रिस्क है. सो द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज एंड द मोस्ट सेटिस्फाइंग थिंग सो फार has been undoubtedly has been Return of the Jungle. I hope it will still be satisfying after the release, but that we'll know only later.
When I told my friends that I am hosting Vaibhav Kumarish on my show, they were so excited. They sent me a list of questions, and here are some 10 filtered out questions from those for you and for the audience. How do you explain to a non-artist person as to what do you do for a living?
See, fortunately, people are very much aware of animation now. पहले हम बोलते थे तो उनको लगता था लैमिनेशन है या कुछ और है, एम्यूनिशन है. तो उनको मतलब maybe 2 decades ago it was tougher, but now people see so much of it all around them. You know, मतलब I've had discussions with so many people. कैब ड्राइवर जा रहे हैं, कभी उनको भी बोल दिया हम एनिमेशन फिल्म बना. अच्छा, कार्टून फिल्म है, हम देखते हैं टीवी पे. That awareness is so much because all around us, whether it's TV, whether आप अपने मोबाइल पे देख रहे हो, even the medium का जो यूसेज है वो इतना ज्यादा है. हर जगह पे आप देख रहे हो. अभी तो केबीसी में भी वो नोट आता है, वहां पे आरबीआई कहता है, तो अमिताभ बच्चन रुक जाते हैं और वो नोट बोलता है कि यार ऐसा करो. तो people know the medium. You know, children's television channels are like airing content 24 hours and all kinds of content. So whether it is Japanese, you know, whether it's Doraemon, Shin-chan, Chota Bheem, Motu Patlu, whatever it is, you know, it's all around us. So and global films exposure through OTT. So I think it's easy to explain what we do now.
Do you or should you feel offensive when people say cartoon बनाते हो क्या? I mean, animator हो तो cartoon बनाते. Do you or should you feel offensive?
नहीं, मैं किस को समझाऊं कि कार्टून की औकात क्या होती है. And I don't know whether they are saying it with disrespect or with excitement. So I don't care beyond that. Like, cartoon बनाते हो, at least they got that right, no?
हाँ, हाँ.
And कार्टून का मतलब डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल भी मैं नहीं समझता हूँ. एटलीस्ट दे नो
Correct.
द टर्म ना, कार्टून बनाते हो.
Correct.
बढ़िया, सही सही बोला. हाँ, हम कार्टून बनाते हैं, तो उसमें ऑफेंड होने वाली बात ही नहीं है. अगर वो हमारा काम देखे और बोले छी गंदा है, तो फिर आपको बुरा
हाँ.
लगेगा. बट काम देखने के बाद अगर वाओ, अगर उनको उनको अच्छा लगा, बस वही तो चाहिए हमें.
Correct. So these are questions from animators only, okay? Like my friends who are already working in the industry. They want to ask what is the animation trending right now, techniques or art style, and what software do you think is going to be the future of animation?
See, I don't know, because हम लोग अपने काम में इतने immersed हैं, we don't know what is trending right now. Sometimes our social media, हमारे जो colleagues हैं, they tell us, यार, this kind of a filter is trending or this thing is trending. But whatever is trending will keep changing. As long as it works with the audience, it will become a trend.
Correct.
If you see even now, like your Love Death Robots, that started a very different kind of a like Arcane and all that, with 3D and high octane action. But at the same time, Studio Ghibli wins hearts, and it creates quiet, beautiful films, beautiful moments. At the
Yes.
same time, an Aardman Animation or a Leica Studios create puppet animation. Shaun the Sheep or Leica's films have also been appreciated so much. So
Correct.
I feel that that will never change. It's an art form. Animation is an art form, and every artist uses it very, very uniquely. Even though it's a technological advancement, the fusion of the art form is what makes it so trendy. So
Very true.
every artist is going to use it their own way, and create new ways of telling their stories or creating images. So that will always continue.
My friend was when this question was sent. She was telling her work experience कि ना हम 4 दिन सोए नहीं थे, हम स्टूडियो में ही सोए हुए थे, उधर ही खा रहे थे, उठ रहे थे. So then she asked a question that what do you think about Indian studios' approach towards employees' work-life balance?
See, again, that work-life balance is very subjective. Each
हाँ,
person would have a very different view on it.
yeah,
And it also depends on your relation with your work. मतलब आप किसके लिए, अगर आप पैसे बनाने के लिए काम कर रहे हो, तो शायद आपको आपका फोकस होगा कि यार मैं इतने पैसे में इतना करूं. और जब आपको ऐसा लगे कि यार मुझे मेरा काम करना है,
yeah,
तब आप शायद रात रात भर भी काम करोगे, तो आप अगले सुबह जब आंख खुलेगी, यू विल बी एक्साइटेड टू गो बैक टू द स्टूडियो एंड फिनिश इट और डू इट
yes,
इवन वेल. सो दिस इज वेरी सब्जेक्टिव. तब अगर आप 4 दिन काम करने के बाद अगर आपको लगता है कि आप कंप्लेन कर रहे हो, देन दैट्स नॉट द प्लेस फॉर यू टू बी.
very true.
एंड इट्स इन योर हैंड. मतलब वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस आपके हाथ में है. आपको ब्रेक लेना है, आप लो. आपको लग रहा है यार मैं गलत जगह पे हूँ, ये काम मुझे अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा और मैं घिस रही हूँ पूरा और बिल्कुल बर्नआउट हो रही हूँ. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो आप बर्नआउट ही नहीं होते हो. आपको समझ में भी नहीं आता है कि 4 रातें चली गई या जो भी हो. मतलब आप इतने एक्साइटेड हो उसमें. सो दैट एक्साइटमेंट इज एन इंसुलेशन. इट्स लाइक योर सुरक्षा कवच. दैट इटसेल्फ इज योर इम्यूनिटी. मतलब आप बीमार भी नहीं पड़ोगे व्हेन यू आर एक्साइटेड. लाइक योर व्हाटएवर बायोलॉजिकली जो भी जूसेस सेक्रेट होते होंगे, your bacteria or all the wrong things will automatically get killed, because there is so much of exciting juices in your body that you will not even fall in.
Definitely, I have experienced this. Very true. A lot of young animators think that graph editor is their enemy. What do you
Graph
think?
editor. Okay. So graph editor is what used in 3D
Graph
software, where you spline and all of that, and you tweak the ease in and ease out and all of that, right?
It's a thing in After Effects. Like if you have to make a
Path.
wall bounce and it's bouncing like this. So there are a lot of keyframes which are very stuck close to each other.
Right.
That graph pattern. Yeah.
Yeah, so why not use it? You're getting a tool to manipulate the spacing or the timing. I don't know why it's an enemy. If you
It's like a hard to get friend according to them.
hard to get friend.
हार्ड टू गेट मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है फ्रेंड होना ग्राफ एडिटर के
अच्छा
साथ.
अच्छा अच्छा अगर वो कंफ्यूजिंग है या उसको कैसे यूज करना अगर वो डिफिकल्ट है तो देन यस when you are not when you're say ignorant about that, once you learn it, once you
Yeah.
know how it works, then you can make it work. And then yes, you can also choose to keyframe every time and not resort to the graph editor. So I know so many senior animation colleagues who use it and not use it at times. Sometimes use it only for certain things to get the job done quicker, better also in many cases. So again, it's very subjective. Artist को जो अच्छा लगता है वो उस तरह से यूज करते हैं उस टूल को.
Yes. Last 3 questions left. Can you share about your first experience about the very first assignment you did for a studio? Okay, you joined Suresh Ariat for Famous. Then let's talk about the first animation assignment that you did.
So I had joined Famous to work on a film on Shivaji,
Oh.
okay, which Suresh was directing.
Hmm.
So there were many artists and I was one of them, and we were all animating certain sections of the film. Like Suresh ek section kar raha hai, main ek kar raha hu. Geetanjali Rao was also at Famous. So we were all working on that project. It was a hand-drawn 2D animation film. It was almost a half-hour long film scripted on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So that was the first place.
Amazing. This is a very cute question. Can literally anyone be an animator?
Why not? If they wish to, then who are we to say no, you cannot be? Anybody can be.
Yeah. The last question is interesting. If you get a chance to create a month-long challenge just like Inktober,
Okay.
but for animation,
Okay.
what and how would it be? What do you think the theme would
See,
be?
like Inktober gives you a prompt or a particular topic, right?
Ah.
And you have to visualize it. So there are
Hmm.
challenges in animation also like that. So if I give you winter, and if I say 10-second ka make a beautiful clip or make a 30-second clip, winter, and you have 2 weeks to create a 30-seconder. I'll be curious to see how different artists would come up. In fact,
Yeah.
in our educational, assignments, that is what we do. You challenge the students in so many ways. Like you give them a 1-minute audio clip and you tell them visualize it, create your own music video. Or if it's a 1-minute clip, then 5 second का animation आप करोगे, अगला 5 second आप करोगे, अगला 5 कोई और करेगा. So then they have to collaborate or coordinate amongst themselves to make that 1-minute video जो उनका group project हो. So
Yes.
so there are so many ways to create exciting projects and animation challenges.
So, Vaibhav sir, thank you so much. I mean, I am loving talking to you, seriously loving talking to you. It happens very rare with me that I am so much in the flow talking to someone that I don't feel like the conversation to end. And our conversation has been as truthful as your work, as you have mentioned in the entire podcast. Thank you so much. I hope you equally enjoyed talking at my
It's
show.
always a pleasure. हम लोग तो went out कर रहे हैं, आप हमें platform दे रहे हो went out करने के लिए. So thank you Veda for that.
No, my audience is also definitely very young. So, and I really, as you said, you should be truthful. जब मैं लोगों को कहानी बताती हूँ मेरे पॉडकास्ट के बारे में, I really don't care what they would think. I'm like, this is what I have observed.
Correct.
Important है एक personality build करना, and I really want to plant this seed at the beginning to my audience, which is why today I also chose emotions वाला topic only with you as with other speakers. So thank you so much for it.